So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. So you have two options here. You have your clip, which has a voice, and you have this left side bar here where you can do several things, including silencing the video. So you have this little sound icon here, and if you click on this icon you're gonna mute the whole track basically. If you split the track to like two pieces and you put one of the pieces under the other, then it's not gonna be muted because it's in a different row. So you are only muting the clip in this specific row. The second option you have is just clicking on the clip, selecting the clip you would like to mute, clicking on this audio on the top right corner, and under basic you're gonna see volume. With this you can adjust the volume of this specific clip, and you will just want to go to basically 0. Right, so all in all, this is how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.